some MDCs from the district council, JHEDC have met you to release
Yes.
the amount to the council. So
It is like this. There are two parts to it. First part is an untied fund, which is about 45 crores, roughly 50%. And the second part is a tied fund to the JJM. So it is necessary that rest of the 50%, that is about 45 crores of that amount, must be spent on the Jal Jeevan mission. There are technical issues in regards to that because there is a head under the JJM, which is what the funding will have to be sourced through. So therefore, the MDCs were keen to discuss whether this fund will be released to them and they will implement the JJM part, or whether the PHE will implement. So there is a technical issue. We have discussed this in detail with them, and very soon we should be able to work out a solution where the implementation can be done in a smooth manner, and yet we maintain the financial systems and the heads that are under which we have to complete this project. Otherwise, there will be some kind of confusion in the system. As I said, the head has to be done through the JJM head, and therefore the fund flow needs to be done through that. But we are working out a mechanism in which we can involve the district councils also. But the rest of the 50% of 45 of the 90 crores has been released to the district councils as their share for untied fund.